Alright guys, here's the continuation of the last video. Obviously I haven't done very much on this side over here, but I have very much reorganized my tool wall. I condensed a lot of things down, brought some blades down, made some new holders for some things. Mainly the second hammer holder, specialty hammer holder, and my squares. Did that. Other than that, I pretty much moved everything around and changed locations of stuff because of how I use my tools, and also making some more room over here. So I made some room here as well, with my my bandsaw, thank God. But I'm not doing anything with that corner there. I like it, but I did change this. This was a lot of thought and a lot of work. I added some, I guess you'd call them modules to them. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I integrated my charging in here. So I can take this cabinet off the wall and everything's inside the cabinet. I might put doors on it later, but I mean, realistically, probably not. It just gets dusty and dirty and spiders love to get in there. But then again, I'm using it so much, it doesn't really matter. They're not really in there anyways. It just gets dusty. So anyways, I built this for my guns, and my charged batteries. And then up here is my charging station, obviously. I set up my Sawzalls in a fashion that I can grab them easily and fast. And I had this extra space up here. So I went ahead and put the caulking gun up there and got that all situated. And then I added this little module on the side. I like to call it a module, just a shelf, but I just added this on the side so that my flesh cutters can sit out and I can grab those. I use those a lot. So other than that, raised up my scroll saw so it's a little bit easier for me to use, see what I'm doing as I'm working. And then other than that, now I'm just cleaning. So now I'm just putting stuff away, getting stuff put away, and cleaning stuff up. So there's the update so far. I'm getting there slowly. Very slowly, but surely. Alright guys, talk to you later. Bye.